Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer session. So we were doing chapter number 8. Okay, so this is our last worksheet. After this, we will going to start revision work. Okay, so before starting, I would like to give you some general instructions that your work should be in neat and clean handwriting. Video lecture of the topic can be seen at the tutorial portal, and this worksheet has to be submitted on ERSL. Again, I am seeing students that very less number of students is doing their work and submitting on ERSL. So all of you, as the session is going to end now, so you have to be punctual and sincere because it is exam time. Okay, so you have to do your work properly and regularly and submit it to me. Okay, so in this class we are going to learn about what is Internet Explorer and what is email, why we use email. Okay, so these all things we are going to revise in this class. Okay, so first we are going to start with book, then we will come to this worksheet. Okay, so all of you please open page number 59, and the topic is about Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is one of the most popular and widely used web browser developed by Microsoft. Okay, so what is Internet Explorer? It is a web browser. What is a browser? Browser means जहाँ पे हम जाके सर्च करते हैं कुछ, ठीक है, ब्राउज करते हैं. ब्राउज मीन्स टू फाइंड समथिंग. ओके, जैसे आप गूगल करते हो तो यू आर ब्राउजिंग सम इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द गूगल. ओके, सो इट इज अ वेब ब्राउजर वेयर यू टाइप एंड फाइंड द इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर इज developed by Microsoft. Okay, so as you can see that this is the picture of Internet Explorer. Okay, so here you can see the buttons and the name of the tabs like file, edit, view, favorites, tool, help. Okay, then this is the back button, this is the forward button, this is the cross button. To cross anything you will use this. Next, this one is the refresh button. Okay, and then home and search, favorites. Okay, so these all options you get on the Internet Explorer. On here, this is the address bar. Okay, here you will type the address bar. So our address always starts with http :/ like this. Okay, here you can easily type google.com or yahoo.com, gmail.com, anything which you want to open. So this is your Internet Explorer. Okay, now following buttons are used while visiting different pages of the website. First is backward, forward and stop. To go back to the previous page, click on back button on the toolbar until you reach the desired page. Okay, so back button जाना मतलब कि if you are clicking on a backward button, then it will take you to the previous page. Okay, जो पहले पेज खुला होगा, it will take you to that page. Okay, click on back button on the toolbar until you reach the desired page. Okay, you can all click करते जाओ, and which page you want, you can go on that page using this backward button. Next is the forward button. To view the next pages, click on the forward button. अगर आपको किसी दूसरे पेज पे जाना है और न्यू पेजेस पे जाना है, ओके, ओल्ड पेजेस पे जाना है, then you will go previous. Means you will use backward button. And if you want to use if you want to search a new page, then you will go to the forward button. Sorry. Okay, so new page के लिए forward and the old page के लिए backward. Okay, next is the stop. Click on the stop button if a page is taking too long to open. This will stop the downloading of a page. Okay, अगर आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपको if you are downloading some page and in the middle of that कि processing चल रही है and you want that कि stop हो जाए, तो what you will do, you will click on the stop button. Click on stop button if the page is taking too long to open. This will stop the downloading of the page. तो जैसे आप click करोगे on the stop button, it will stop the downloading of the page. Okay, so this was your Internet Explorer. Now next topic is searching on internet. how we search information. As you all are very smart and are using phones and smartphones and using internet also, so you better know that how to use an internet. Okay, so searching internet is very easy. Google पे जाके हमें just we have to write the information about anything, we can get information about that topic. Okay, so information of all types is available on different websites. To access the information, we have to visit its website. There are certain websites on the internet that help us to search the website containing a particular information. These websites are properly known as search engines. To search any information on the net, follow these steps. Okay, so we have to use the search engines. Web browser क्या होता है? जैसे कि Mozilla, okay, Netscape Navigator and Google Chrome. These are the web browser. But if you are using any web browser, then in the search engine like Google is a search engine. Okay, so you will type any information that you want in the Google, that is the search engine bar, and there you can type anything and you will get the information about any topic. So how to do this? Let's see. Connect to the internet, open browser software and open any search engine, say Google. Type a few keywords about the information, say Cartoon Network, and press the search button. अब आपने क्या करना है? You have to know information about any Cartoon Network channel. Okay, so आप क्या करोगे? When you will, सबसे पहले तो इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट होना चाहिए आपका लैपटॉप या पीसी. Okay, so that you have to connect it with laptop or PC or with internet. Then in Google is the search engine. In Google you will type what? Yes, Cartoon Network. It will display a list of website which have the related information. फिर जैसे ही आप सर्च पे एंटर क्लिक करोगे, then you will get various links and hyperlinks. Okay, that you will take to the another page. It will display a list of website which have the related information. Read the information provided and click on the link you consider the most appropriate. The website will open. Okay, I will show you this practically. Just wait. Okay, now eyes on the screen. This is my laptop and this is the desktop. Okay, so at the right hand side in here, see this one. This is the internet connection. Okay, I will show you. See, this is connected to my Wi-Fi. I have connected it to my Wi-Fi. My phone's hotspot से connected है. ठीक है, so ये आपको connect करना पड़ेगा. See, यहाँ पे कितने सारे Wi-Fi दिखा रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आपको पहले इंटरनेट को कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से मैंने अपना इंटरनेट कनेक्टेड कर लिया है. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज नेक्स्ट इज वी विल सर्च अ वेब ब्राउजर ओवर हेयर. ओके, लेट्स टाइप गूगल क्रोम. ओके, सो इट इज शोइंग द गूगल क्रोम. देन आई विल प्रेस एंटर की. See, it is showing me a new page of a Google. Okay, now I have to search it for what? See, this is the backward button, this is the forward button, and this button is for refresh. Okay, here this is the address bar. So here we will type Google. Now see, it has taken me to the another web page. Okay, so here I will type the information, like I will take information about cartoons. Okay, so I will click enter. Now see what it has shown. These all are the different websites. Okay, so these are the links which will clicking on it will take you to the another page. Okay, let's have a click on this. So it is taking me to a YouTube channel of Peppa Pig. See. Okay, so this I have shown you that how to use a website. Okay, now I want to go back of this page, so I will click on the backward button. Okay, so I have already come on the previous page. Now as you can see here, if I want only the images of only the images of cartoon, then I will go on the images tab. As you can see, videos, images, news, books, more. Okay, so अगर आपको images चाहिए, if you want to see the videos, you will click on the video section. It will show you all the videos and it will connect to you to YouTube. Okay, and if you want images, then you will click on the images button. Okay, so here you can see it has shown us all the cartoon images of all the cartoons. So from here you can easily copy any of the cartoon and paste it on your desired folder. Okay, so in this way we search information on Google. Okay, again I have pressed this backward button, so it has taken me to the video section, and if again I will press backward button, it will take me to the all option. Okay, so this was very easy. Try it at home. It is very interesting. Okay. Okay students, now our next topic is email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is used for the most widely used application of internet. It is a fast and convenient way to communicate with each other. We can use email too. अब email क्या होता है? Email stands for electronic mail. ठीक है? It is basically used for sending and receiving the messages. ठीक है? तो अगर message अगर हमें within a second हमें message किसी को send करना है, then we can send कर सकते हैं by using email. ठीक है? तो email जो है वो हमें what are the uses of email? What all facilities does email provide us? First is send and receive messages. We can send an email message to any person with an email address. The message arrives in the recipient's email inbox within second or minute, irrespective of his location. We can also read and reply to those messages. Okay, so first uses send and receive messages. अगर आपके पास किसी का email address है, then you can easily send and receive email from that. Okay, अब पहले क्या होता था? In the previous generation, we always do what? We always send a handwritten letter. तो handwritten letter में भी हमें you have to give the postal address. Okay, तो हमें handwritten letter भेजते थे तो उसमें पहले हम क्या लिखते थे? Address लिखते थे in the front. Okay, so इसमें भी हमें एक email address होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Then only we can easily send and receive the messages. Okay, next is send and receive files. Also, we can easily send and receive files. In addition to the normal text-based email messages, we can send almost any type of file in an email message, including document, pictures, and music. A file is sent in an email message is called an attachment, indicate with this symbol. Okay, this is the symbol of attachment. Okay, जैसे पिन का symbol होता है ना, that is the symbol of attachment. तो आप easily कोई भी attachment उसमें add कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट इज सेंड मैसेजेस टू ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल्स. अब एक साथ हम मेनी पीपल्स को एट वन टाइम हम इजीली मैसेज भेज सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फॉरवर्डिंग मैसेजेस. अगर आपको कोई बाहर से किसी का मैसेज आया हुआ है, यू कैन इजीली फॉरवर्ड दैट मैसेज ऑल्सो. जैसे व्हाट्सएप पे होता है, हम क्या करते हैं? फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं ना मैसेज. ऐसे ही हम ईमेल्स में भी इजीली फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं मैसेजेस को. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सेंडिंग ईमेल इज sending email is free. Okay, it will not cost anything to you. Okay, so easily free होता है sending email. Unlike sending a regular letter, no stamp or fee is required, no matter where the recipient lives. The only charges that you have to pay for an internet connection. ठीक है? चाहे आप इंडिया में हो and you are sending any email to a person that is living in America. So okay, so easily आप send कर सकते हो letter without any fee. But आपको क्या करना है? इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की फीस देनी है. Okay, so you have to give the इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की फीस देनी है and you can easily send and receive the messages from any person living anywhere in the world. Okay, now next is what do we need before we use an email. अब email address अगर हम use कर रहे हैं, if we are using any email, then what all we need? To use email, we need the following three things. First is एन इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, एक तो हमें इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चाहिए. सेकेंड, वी हैव टू साइन अप विद free web-based email service such as email, Sifi, Yahoo, Mail, Rediff, etc. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, साइन अप करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू साइन अप फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू ईमेल अकाउंट और जीमेल अकाउंट. ओके, दीज सर्विसेज अलाउज अस टू चेक आवर ईमेल विद इन अ वेब ब्राउजर फ्रॉम एनी कंप्यूटर कनेक्शन टू द इंटरनेट. Next, what you want an email address. आपको email address, you have to create a new account and you will be provided with a new email address. Okay, so we get an email address from the web-based email service on the signing up. The email address consists of a username, ठीक है, and the sign of @ and the name of the web browser email provider. For example, kips@gmail.com. अगर आप Gmail पे बना रहे हो, then you will get the email address at @gmail.com. Like I have made my email address like swati@gmail.com. अगर आप Yahoo पे बना रहे हो, then @yahoo.com. And if you are making any other, if you are making if you are making email in any other web-based service, then you will get that name. Okay, now look at the screen. Look at this tip. An email address does not contain any space and is in small letter. Email address हमेशा small letter में होता है and it will not contain any space. The email address of every person is unique and no two person can have the same email address. अब email address जो होता है वो unique होता है सबका, ठीक है. unique मतलब सबका अलग होता है, किसी 2 person का एक email address नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है. So अगर आप same email address डालोगे, it will show you an error दिखा देगा आपको स्क्रीन पे कि नहीं है, ठीक है. So this was your chapter and we have finished with our chapter. Okay, so now this is the worksheet. So what is Internet Explorer, you know, ठीक है. It is a web browser and is developed by Microsoft. Next is following are the buttons of Internet Explorer. These buttons I have already told you that this is the backward, forward, stop, home, refresh and search. Email क्या होती है? Email stands for electronic mail, ठीक है, and it is one of the fastest way to communicate with each other. Now next is we use email. अब email किस लिए use करते हैं, you know, ठीक है, for send and receiving files, sending messages, forward messages and sending email for free. Okay, now question is what do you mean by email and write any 2 uses. ठीक है, तो you have to write what is email. This one is done for you. Okay, next is list the hardware and software you need an internet connection. अब internet connection के लिए क्या क्या hardware and software provided होने चाहिए आपके पास. First is modem, second is an internet connection and third is the telephone line and fourth is web browser. Okay, and next these are the full form which you have to find it from the book. ठीक है, बुक से आपको फाइंड करनी है. आई विल टेल यू. ISP स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, URL स्टैंड्स फॉर यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर, इंटरनेट स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क and www stands for World Wide Web and email means electronic mail. Okay, so we have finished with our syllabus with this worksheet. From the next class I will send you the revision worksheet which you have to do it in your copy neatly and properly. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.